How to hide Instagram posts from someone without blocking them. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Instagram app on your device, and you simply need to enter your privacy password and proceed by tapping on your profile icon at bottom right. Now select three-line icon at top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and you need to navigate to the restrict state option under how others can interact with the section. Select that, tap on the next button, and here you need to search for a particular user whom you do not or want to restrict them from viewing your Instagram post without blocking them. So let's search for the user, and then you simply need to tap on the restrict button and the account will be restricted, and now they will no longer see your Instagram post. So in this way, you can easily hide Instagram posts from someone without blocking them. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.